Okay, and the first of our kitchen cabinet we'd like to introduce to you is behind us. So you can see that the whole style of this kitchen cabinet, we use the white color with the high glosses door panel technology.
Yes, due to our advantage coating technology, and we produce the high gloss white color with our stainless steel door panel.
Yes. So you know that most of us, the kitchen is not so large. So even though in a small size kitchen, we use the high glosses can enlarge your kitchen size in the visual feeling.
Yes, besides, using this high gloss white colors, you can make your small kitchen become more spacious and more contemporary.
Yes, and you know that the normal material we use in the kitchen cabinet in the market is normally the wooden, plywood,
or marble.
Yes, marble. But our kitchen cabinet we use is the 304 stainless steel sheet as the raw material.
But some clients will have a question, and why they are the big difference between the 201 material and the 301 material?
Yes, actually, 304 is more durable than the 201 material or the 301 material because 304 is can anti-water, anti-fire, and can be not become moisture.
Yes, and anti-termite.
Yes, and anti-termite. So here are some texts we like to show for you to prove that our 304 stainless steel kitchen cabinet is more popular or more durable than the other material.
Yes. Besides, maybe some 201 materials, stainless steel kitchen cabinets, they will use the hairline surface.
Yes.
But our 301 stainless steel kitchen cabinets, 304 stainless steel kitchen cabinets, we use the ring job surface.
Yes, only in our OAT cabinet we use the ring job surface. So what's the advantage of the ring job surface?
Ring job surface, they have many advantages. Like the first one is anti-scratching.
Yes, anti-scratching. You know that there are many sharp knife or fork in our kitchen. So about another feature is that
easy to clean.
Yes, easy to clean. It can save more time for us to do any interesting thing, but not just in the kitchen.
And the third one is anti-oil.
Yes, anti-oil. You know that there are many dirty dams often happened in our kitchen.
If you can clean up the stand immediately, and the surface will become faint, and you have the spot in the surface.
Yes, and more importantly, it can anti our fingerprint.
Yes.
So don't worry to touch your kitchen cabinet. It won't left any fingerprint here.
And scratchings.
Yes, okay.
So let's do the small test for you to prove our stainless steel advantage for you.
Yes. Okay, the first test I'd like to show you is the anti-fire test. As you know that we also use the fire to cooking something in our kitchen. So the safe problem is the core problem in your kitchen. So an anti-fire material we choose is the best quality and guarantee to keep your family and your whole children in the safe situation. So let's do it. You can see that here is the alcohol. We can spring the alcohol and at our door panel. And here is the fire. Can you see that? You can see that even though the fire is burning at our door panel, but it won't burn it won't damage our door panel. So it can prove that our door panel is anti-fire. So can you guess what's the material of our door panel? You can see the back side is the 304 stainless steel. So as we mentioned before, 304 stainless steel has the anti-fire feature, so you don't worry that even though your kitchen is fired, but the 304 stainless steel kitchen cabinet can stop your fire situation. So you can see that the texture here on the back side is the windrop surface. So windrop surface, we talk about the feature is anti-scratching and anti-fingerprint and easy to clean. So here is the first test. Okay, and next I'd like to introduce our stainless steel countertop. It's one of our core products in our OAT kitchen cabinet. And you can see that here are two thickness. You can choose that. For this one is the kale texture. You can see closely. And the feature of our stainless steel countertop is anti-scratching. Here is a knife that we will usually use in our kitchen, and I like to scratch it very hard, and you can see that whether it will leave any scratchings. You can see it's as new as before. And the thickness of this stainless steel countertop is 1.5 millimeter. And the filler we use is the PP material. So the total height of this stainless steel countertop is 15 millimeter. And the next one is this texture. The texture will be lighter than the last one, and it also anti-scratching. Also, won't left any scratching. So you don't worry when you chop in here, the countertop will be damaged by your knife. And the thickness of this is 20 millimeter. Because the whole stainless steel countertop is the solid 304 stainless steel. So it will be heavier than the last one. And we have two thickness for your choice for this texture. This one is 10 millimeter, and this one is 20 millimeter. You can see the differences. So here is the stainless steel countertop we can provide to you, and our countertop is also very easy to clean. So you just need a cloth with some water to wipe it, so you can clean it very easily. Can save your time. Okay, and next the test I'd like to show you is the anti-water feature. As you know that there are many water when you when you cooking, because when you wash something you need the water, but the water will splash everywhere by accident. So an anti-water material is very important because it can keep your kitchen cabinet as new as even though you use for 30 years or 50 years. So okay, let's do it. And you can see that here is a bottle of water, and I like to splash this water to our door panel, and you can see the change. Here we go. And you can see that the water just flows straightly along with the door panel, but the water won't be absorbed in it. Here you can see that. And you can see that the texture we use, as we mentioned before, here is the raindrop surface, and the raindrop surface is easy to clean. It's easy to clean. Here is a cloth, so you can just wipe it. Very easy. It's cold. It's very clean. So, and raindrop surface is also anti-scratching. Here is a knife. One left and scratches. And here is the screw. We use the pre-embedded technology to have an accurate position here, so we can guarantee any screw can be installed very accurately. Okay, and so that's the details of our door panel. And here the hinge we use is the balloon ring. And with the soft closing system. Yes, moreover, our door panel is very easy to assembling. Like we can very easy to take it off just now. So I like to pick it back. Just need 2 steps. So you can also install your kitchen cabinet by yourself as well. You can see that. And maybe you will worry that the easy assembling will affect the quality. I can tell you the answer is not. The quality is also good as before. I like to sit on it. The quality won't be affected by the easy assembling.
Yes, and let me introduce our stainless steel kitchen details for you.
Okay, please.
Yes, and the first part, I want to introduce our top cabinets for you. As we can see, this is our stainless steel top cabinets with our oven.
Yes.
And this is our high gloss white surface. You can see the light will reflect on the surface, and it can make the door panels and the kitchen more spacious. Let's open it. On the back side of the door panel, we use the stainless steel window surface. You can see it's different from the hairline surface. Window surface have the most advantage, like the anti-scratchings. You can see they even left any scratching on it. And the second one is anti-fingerprint. You can see I just touch it gently, but it can left any fingerprint. And this is our stainless steel screw. We made the pre-embedding technology to ensure every screw position is become accurate. And this is our balloon hinge. Also, we also use the pre-embedding technology to ensure the hinge hole and the screw hole become more accurate. Besides, before out of our factory, we also can make the pre-embedding text for every cabinet and every door panel to ensure every position of the hinge hole and the screw hole become more accurate. And this is a small cabinet. You can see this is our temperature gases layer with the AKH. So you can see the item you put through these glasses. Yes, and this is our base cabinets. You can see this door panel. This door panel is made of one-piece stainless steel sheets of 304. You can see because every wooden door panel will be easily to cracking because they don't use the one piece of wooden. material to make the door panel, but our stainless steel door panel also can make one piece for you to make the door panel become integrated. And you can see there is no any room for the termites and cockroach come in. It's very perfect and accurate. For the base cabinets, we also use the glass layer. And you can see the corner of our base cabinets is very thinly sized, so you don't worry the cockroach and termites will come in. And this is the most outstanding texture of our stainless steel kitchen cabinets, because base cabinet is very close to the blocks, so the termites and cockroach is very easy to come in the cabinets, because the base cabinet is very easy to become wet and damp environment for them. So you don't worry the problems of the moisture and the termites. And this is our wall cabinets. You can see the wall cabinet, we can have two options. One is glass door panel combined with our stainless steel door panel. And the second one is the whole stainless steel door panel. Let's open it. You can see this is our hinge, also used from balloon hinge and the air support systems. In the wall cabinets, we also can install the alternate LED light for you to help you find the thing in the wall cabinet easily. And this door panel can be stopped in any angle. You can see. And this is our another base cabinet. This cabinet will be the function cabinets, because we use the white boxes in this cabinets. So we also call it for the white box cabinets. This smart white box also can provide to you. And this is the pull-out basket. Spices pull-out basket. We also can arrange the pull-out spices basket near our stove, so you can easily to pick up the cans from your left hand. And in this basket, you also can hang your cooker here and your wine. Anything you want to put in. You also can storage the things. And this basket we also use from our Chinese famous brand called Higo. The all accessory also made of 304 stainless steel material. So the whole kitchen we also can insure all the material of the kitchen cabinets and the accessory. We use the food grade stainless steel material. And this pull-out basket also have the soft closing system. Let me show you. You can see again. When I close this door strongly, but it can keep the noise, have any noise and keep quiet. Okay, it's turn to our stove cabinets. This is our cooking area, also can call the stove cabinets. We usually decide to hide drawer for you. Under the stove, we also can provide the dishes pull-out basket for you to store any plants and blocks here. So when you are cooking, it's very easy and convenient for you to pick up the plants and the bolts. Then open it and take it and put here. So you can finish your meals, just pick it up. Besides, This dishes cabinets also use the plastic plant for you to save the extra water. Also have the soft closings. And this is another high drop cavities for you to store your ponds. You can see this is have a smart light here. We also can provide to you according to your requirements. And this basket also from our Chinese famous brand called Go. Also have the soft closing systems. You can see. Let me show you one more time. We have the soft closing system and can keep quiet and have no noise to bother your family. And let me introduce our autumn basket for you. This is our automatic lift-up basket. Here you also can store your any spices here, and the food storage can. If you like, you also can store your white and white glasses here, so you can enjoy your kitchen time when you are cooking. It's very easy. You just use one finger to pull it off. Yes, and this is our sink cabinets. You can see this is our kitchen accessory like the boxes and the sink cabinets, double sink cabinets. We also can provide to you with our 304 food grade faucets and the sink, double sink for you. And let me introduce our sink cabinets for you. Because as we know, sink cabinet is really the worst place in our kitchen because we usually washing our fruit and the vegetable in the sink, and the water will flow down from the sink or the countertop. So the sink cabinet is we have pay more attention to care of. So, but you can see this is our stainless steel sink cabinets. In this sink cabinet, it's very clean and bright because stainless steel cabinets have anti-advantage like the anti-water and anti-scratchings. So you don't worry, the stainless steel cabinets will absorb the water to damage the cabinets and door panel. You can see this is our hinge with damping with the soft close systems.
Okay, and here is the one stainless steel kitchen cabinet we'd like to introduce to you.
Yes.
And next, I'd like to introduce another style kitchen cabinet is totally different from this set. Okay, follow us.